For Brian? Hey, can you just, there's a button right here. Can you push that button so the seat slides forward?
There's not a bunch of us.
Oh, okay.
It's great.
Hey, girls.
Just jump in. Come on, JJ. See you later.
Are you gonna act right now? Good night, guys.
Come on, oh, get in.
I
Get
really
in.
want to come, but my girls want to go the other way.
No, well, get her number and we can party after JJ Fuller.
Uber's here.
Get your phone out.
Give me a second.
Get in. We're going to JJ's.
JJ's.
Sorry, man.
It's all good, man. Do your
It's,
thing.
we try our best, and there's some complications.
There's no way, but that's okay.
859.
We'll do later.
Oh, hold on a second. Hold on a second.
859 to party.
Yeah, your girl should come over for the after
Pat,
party
Pat.
anyway.
Get Pat.
Pat. Grab your number. Grab her number.
Dude, you've never been here. It's true.
Growing up.
No, you're good. You're all blowing us kisses.
That was a big fucking
I was
mistake,
showing,
girls.
it's
Get
literally
in.
60% of your
You got 1
numbers
second. You
are,
guys want to get in?
Wait, no,
JJ's.
they're
No, they gotta
They
do
gotta
their
go
own
home.
thing.
Give me a call. We'll hang out next time.
you guys got her number?
Yeah.
All right.
After parties in Southie though.
I'm so sorry.
That's the night. That's
We
the
good,
night.
guys?
I'm a daddy. It's Father's Day at midnight. Celebrate my love.
What?
Who's a daddy? Okay.
Grab her number. Grab her number.
No, that was. Oh my God, Gina. Wait.
He's like,
Please tell her I'm a sweet guy.
Come on, Pat. Get out of here. Get the fuck out
All
of
right,
here.
we're out of here.
Get the fuck out.
Bye, girls.
Don't fucking listen.
Gina! Oh my God! Fucking asshole! What a dick Gina
Who's
is.
the asshole, you or the Uber driver? Because he was being a good guy by getting you the fuck out.
He was. This guy who hung out there, he's like, all right.
Yo, hey, how about that dude that was ready to scrap me in the
He
bar?
was ready to scrap.
What a dumbass.
The greatest thing is we disrespected him so hard, we took his chick.
Dude.
He's like, dude, I was talking to this chick. She comes
Your
up
car's
to me.
probably got a seatbelt on.
She comes up to me. She's like,
It's
this
so-
guy's an asshole.
It's
Yo.
so great when the guys come in with like just flexing hard, like, dude, come on, get out of here, and they just lose the girls because they have no personality. Dude,
All the girls come up there like, this guy's an asshole. Don't waste a
not even,
breath
hey,
on him.
not even kidding though. I went up to that dude after he fucking pushed him and everything, and after he pushed Luke, and I was like, yo, I was like,
He pushed you hard, dude.
He pushed him, spilled the girl that I was talking to drink everywhere. She was Bree's friend.
that dude was.
I was talking to Bree's friend,
That dude's
Hannah,
bad.
oh my god.
and
Oh my god, remember when we were like, the girl's tits are great?
yeah, exactly.
Introduce you to her.
So that's, dude, that's what I
Wait a
was
second.
thinking.
What the fuck are we doing? We had multiple opportunities. We always skip out on these opportunities that we have.
But yeah.
Like layups.
What
we
is,
always have these layups.
dude? So I
We
go,
always have these layups, and then Hennessy comes in and goes, let's go to JJ Foley's.
dude, check this. So I go